Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on installing TestNG plugin in the newer versions of Eclipse. For your information, there is a blog regarding this in Busy QA blogs. Let us first open Eclipse software on our Windows and check the TestNG project. We can see that we are not able to see TestNG project. Going back to the blog, let us follow the simple steps to download offline TestNG files and drop them manually in the Eclipse installation folder in our local system. First, we need to go to this link on testng.org website to download the zip for TestNG 7.4.0. Let us extract the downloaded zip and open the folder to find Features and Plugins folder. We need to copy or cut these folders. Let us go back to the blog and follow step 4. That is to find the Eclipse installation folder in our local system. Once that is located, we need to further locate drop-ins folder. Inside drop-ins, we can create a new folder and name it as mentioned in the step 5 in our Busy QA blogs. Finally, we can paste the copied folders inside this newly created folder and we are done. Just to verify the changes are reflected in the Eclipse, let us now restart the Eclipse and go to File New and Other to find out if we see TestNG option. Voila! We see the TestNG option. Thanks for sticking around and watching.